Welcome to assignment 2 for group 26. This is how the application UI looks like. Here we can choose from 4 different files: about1.csv, about2.csv, father1.csv, father2.csv. By clicking on classify, we can run the code for the application. Choose one file and click predict, then it predicts the result. About1.csv gives result as about. If we select father1.csv and predict, it would give a result as father. We can see the Android code. In main activity, we are reading from the files from the application asset and use asset manager to store the files in the asset folder. Here we are using asset manager and then it gets stored in the folder asset about1, about2, father1 and father2. Then we give it all the permissions, read and write, and then we select a file and click on the predict button, which calls the function inference. Here in the inference function, we can decide whether the file should result as father or about. It then returns the value and displays the result. Code, we needed to create the dataset to train the model. So for this, we concatenated all the about and father files into one file. This file is called the dataset.csv. In this file, we picked only the column numbers specified to us and then we append the labels to it. These were the specified column numbers. Here, this is the table, and here there are 22 variables, and the 23rd column is the prediction variable. 0 represents about and 1 represents father. Now, this is the result that is saved into the CSV file called dataset.csv, and then this file will be used to train the model. In this case, we are using a decision tree. We export this model and generate a code. Then we use that directly in Android. This is how we use the provided CSV file and classify between about and father class.